Florida panthers. The Florida panther, which is Florida's state animal, is one of the most endangered mammals on Earth. Looking down over here, the fast facts. They grow to about 23 to 27 inches tall. Their length is about 7 feet long for the males, the boys, and 6 feet for the females, the girls. The males weigh about 130 pounds, and the females are only 70 to 75 pounds. Here's something interesting. Their lifespan is 10 to 15 years. So if a Florida panther lives 10 to 15 years, they're considered old and older. They had a good long life. If we look over here on the map, here is the tip of Florida, southern Florida. That is where the Florida panthers live. They used to roam in a very large area, and now they have only been pushed down to that tiny little area in Florida. Looking at their diet, the Florida panthers primarily eat white-tailed deer, which means that's their main food that they eat. They are also known to eat feral hog, rabbit, raccoon, armadillo, and birds. If we look down here to population, that's how many there are. They're estimating, they're kind of guessing from all the tracks that they find that there's only 100 to maybe 160 adults. That's not a lot at all. Even though it seems like a big number, 100 to 160 is really not a lot considering in the entire world. We look over here at the range. Historically, they ranged across the southeastern United States, including Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, and parts of Tennessee and South Carolina. So all this area over here. Now, it's only found in the southern tip, as we said before. Their behavior, looking over here, they are solitary and territorial animals that travel hundreds of miles within their home range, which means they're solitary. They don't live with a family or in a pack. They live by themselves. And they're territorial. So even though they live by themselves, they have their area to roam. And they don't like it when even another panther comes into their area. It says panthers are mostly active between dusk and dawn, and they rest during the heat of the day. So right in that middle part of the day where it's really hot, they're not usually out. One other thing to tell you, panthers are usually quiet, but they do communicate through vocalizations. A vocalization is a noise that they make. Sounds they make, people have described them as chirps, peeps, whistles, purrs, moans, screams, growls, and hisses. So that's a little bit of information on our Florida panthers, and they are critically endangered.